Hi, my name is Dr. Jason Brustein. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement with the Resurgence Orthopedics. Some of the common conditions that I see or treat are related to arthritis, osteoarthritis, or inflammatory arthritis of the knee and hip. Other things that I see are wear and tear injuries to the ACL or the meniscus of the knee, or just generalized traumatic arthritis from previous injuries and wear and tear over the course of one's life. So for me in particular, some of the treatments that I utilize are anterior-based hip replacement for the hip. This is a tremendous technique that allows me to gain access to the hip joint and replace the hip in a safe and effective way. With regards to the knee, we can try different conservative measures like injections of steroid and injections of lubrication shots. Otherwise, we can have discussion about options including partial and total knee replacement to relieve your pain and your symptoms and help to improve your mobility. I think patients should feel comfortable at any point seeing an orthopedist if they're having pain or issues with their joint. We here at Resurgence are more than happy to see you if you have any aches and pains, and we can do a full assessment and try to help you get back to the activities and do the things that you want to do. We're here to take care of our community, help to improve your quality of life, and give you the personalized care that we can do to the best of our ability. Again, I'm Dr. Jason Brustein. I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement. I'm available seeing patients in both the Griffin and McDonough locations. Please refer to our website at resurgence.com to make an appointment, or please feel free to call us and we're glad to get you in and be seen as soon as possible. Thank you.